Our tutorial today is how to translate subtitles, including subtitles in all languages. Only one browser is needed to handle it. Click Load Subtitle. Select SRT Format Subtitles. Click on the down arrow. Load out all the subtitles and click on One-Click Translation. Please pull down to the bottom line. We are using Google Chrome's own translation function. The translation is not complete until it is loaded out. You can also make single-line changes. Click on Download Table and you can download the translated file format. If you want to translate into another language, the translation symbol is on the right side of the URL bar. Just select the language you want to translate into. Here is a demonstration. Follow the previous steps to download the translated subtitle file. If the original subtitle is not the default language of your browser, you can see the following demonstration.